Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to install updates in Football Live 225. So there's an update for Football Live 225. They released an update 1.5, as you can see right here. When there's an update, they usually post that below the download link. So if you click on the download link right here and scroll all the way down, you're going to see the update 1.5, which is about 920 megabytes. I've already downloaded. So now to install the update, first of all you have to extract the RAR file. After extracting it, you open it. Also make sure to run as administrator, very important. Okay, now if you want to install the update, you have to use the first option. The first option, update and install new edit file. This will apply the new transfer. Always important. But if you don't want the new transfer, you go with the second one. But I'm going to go with the first one. Click on next, and now you're going to browse the location where you installed the eFootball Live 225. Go to the game icon, right click and copy the directory and paste it here. Click on start and wait for the update to install. As you can see right here, Football Live update 1.5 is installed successfully. So that's how you install updates in Football Live 225. That'll be all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.